Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and today we're taking a look at Auto Finesse Gloss Tyre Dressing. So it will be an easy and quick video. So the only thing you need to do is to make sure that your surface is degreased, to make sure the product bonds perfectly to the surface. So the only thing we are going to do is take an applicator pad block. In this case it is a Adams block cut in half. Apply some on, wipe it on the surface, and that's it. You can wipe the excess off if you want to. It should last about 2 weeks and give a very glossy finish. So what I'm going to do is, all the airplanes are flying over. So what I'm going to do is tape a piece of my rear plastic bumper off so we can see a before and after shot, and in about a week time I will see how the product does. Okay guys, so the car isn't clean because of water restriction here in Belgium, but I'm doing only a test spot on this piece of the rear bumper. So let's start taping and applying. So it was easy to apply, it leaves a gloss finish and it smells also pretty good, so pretty nice. So I will see you guys in a week. Hello everyone, so we are back after about 7 days after applying Auto Finesse Gloss Tyre Dressing. So we're gonna check out the results. We had some very changeable weather, so we had pouring down rain and we had 30 degrees. So a pretty good test for the product. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so this is Auto Finesse after about 7 days. So you can see it is still pretty good on there. It still leaves a great finish behind. So I will show you the water repellency of it now. So you can see it still repels water very good, so pretty happy about the product. It was pretty straightforward. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.